Hello friends, we are going to explain the lesson number 9th of grammar modals. Modals are modal auxiliaries, two types of auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. We know modal auxiliaries as modals. We know that modals help us to modify the meaning of the main verb. जो modals है, जो main verb है, उसके meaning को modify करता है. अब हम modals की चर्चा करेंगे. जो मॉडल्स है वो मल्टी फंक्शन होते हैं, इसलिए वी विल हैव टू यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ द मॉडल्स. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल फॉर आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. मे द मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी, बट ऑन विच प्लेस इट इज यूज्ड, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. मे कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर ब्लेसिंग्स, for permission and possibility. So we will see the functions of all modals we are going to explain. Now let's see. Now let's see the modal, its examples with functions. Modal can or can't. Can and can't, and its function is to show ability. To show ability, I can do it. I can play. I can show a button. So this is ability, it shows I can. And can is used in a present. We will discuss later about could. Now possibility. First one is for ability. Now possibility. We can check it out. We can check it out. Means it is possibility. Means we can check it out. The first one, ability, I can do it. Possibility, can be. And permission. If you want to seek the permission from your same age, you can use can. Can I borrow this? So you are seeking permission from the person who is your brother or friend, and can is used with your same aged people or same rank. So permission, can I borrow this, and request. Can you shut the door? Can you shut the door? That is used for request. And past ability. Sorry, these are the use. Now move to the could. Now could is or couldn't is past form of can. It is past form of can. Past ability, can for present and could or couldn't for past. I could climb trees when I was child. So if you want to understand and if you want to correct the sentence given as exercise, that time you will have to see the whole meaning of the sentence. I was a child means we are talking about the childhood days. So I could, that's why it is a past ability. I was able to, and can is I am able to. Possibility, probability. Like can, possibility, probability. We could go to the park. We could go to the park. Here possibility or probability. Permission. Could I take a book? Politely. If you want to ask politely, then you can say, could I take a book? So can and could, both can be used, but could shows more politeness. Request. Could you get me that book, please? Here also the request, but more polite than can. Suggestion. This can be used for suggestion. You could try turning it on again. So, can, ability, possibility, permission, request. And could, ability in past, possibility, probability, permission, request, and suggestion. Now let's see may not, multifunction, permission. We have used may at many places, and we have observed that most of the students use may I come in, sir? So that is for permission. We use may. Possibility, probability. We may visit them again. The cloud in the sky, it may rain. Possibility, but less possibility. Offer. If you want to offer anybody, you can say, may I help you? So permission, possibility, probability, offer, and wish. If you want anybody on his birthday, then we use may in the beginning of the sentence. But we will have to see that may in which way and on which place it is used, that is important. We may visit. May all your dreams come true in the beginning. Blessings. In interrogative, may I help you? Now might, like can and could. Might is used in the past, and in reported speech we use might on the place of might at the time of converting into reported speech. Now let's see permission. Like might I take this flyer? This is like may. Possibility like may. We might win this game. Less possibility. Less possibility. Must not. So these are the permission and possibility. Now must and must not. For obligation, we must respect our others. For obligation, we must respect others. And second one, inference, deduction. You must have made reservation. So these are obligation and inference, deduction. Now shall and shall not. Intention. Function to show intention. Example, I shall submit my report soon. Means your intention is to submit soon. So model, then function and example. I shall submit my report soon. That is intention. Then offer. Shall I get you some juice? You are offering to somebody. So really all the models are very confusing one. But we can use the functions of the modals according to the sentence. We will have to see the reference of the sentence. Then we can use, you will have to see the complete sentence. Then you will have to put there the modal auxiliary, that is modal called. So offer, shall I get you some juice? So here we have used shall in order to offer. For suggestion also, shall we try brownie? So here you are suggesting, shall we do this one? So for intention, offer and suggestion. Possibility, we shall be able to complete this today. So like other possibility like can, could. So we shall, it shows a possibility of future. And probability, we should reach in 5 hours. Here, sorry. So these are the intention, offer, suggestion and possibility. Now, should. So in a reported speech, on the place of direct, indirect means reported speech means direct, indirect. On the place of shall, we use should. So it can be said that it is past of shall. So probability. First probability, we should reach in 5 hours. Obligation, we should always be like must, but there is slight difference. We should always be kind to others. Obligation means it is not forced by other, but we can do ourselves. नैतिक फर्ज जिसे कहते हैं. Advice, for advice we can use should. You should follow me, follow the teacher's instructions. If you want to advise, and in this kind of sentences we can use should. So we have seen shall, should, can, could, may, might. Now let's move to the next. Like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will and would we are going to discuss. Modal, function and example. Intention. It has many functions, but we are discussing about few. I will take you to the park. It's my intention. I will take you to the park. So this is the example of will. Intention. Request. Will you guide me? Request here. Will you guide me? Prediction. It will be a windy day. You can predict, you can foretell by using will. It will be windy day. Promise. I will not let you down. We have learned in chapter number 8 in future. The verb expressing the future. Promise, I will not let you down. Certainty, he will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. We have used will in order to show the certainty. Now here, would. It is past form of will. If you want to convert the reported speech, the word, if you want to use will in reported speech, then you will have to use there would. Request. Would you please show me the way? If you use would here, it shows the more politeness. Would you? Then offer. I would be sorry. Would you please show me the way? We have seen now offer. I would be happy to accompany you. Offer. I would be. More politeness. And permission. Would you let me borrow this? Can, we can use this all sentences, all many auxiliaries, many modal auxiliaries also, but would is more polite and the most polite it could. So would you? I would be happy to accompany you. Permission. Would you let me borrow this? Now one more important, and that is ought to. Necessity. Ought to can be used on the place of should. Ought to means you ought to lock the main gate. Necessity. then assumption, expectation, probability, they ought to have reached by now. So these are the use of ought to, but in the most of the sentences ought to is used on the place of should. Need and need not, necessity. I need to buy a pen. I need to buy a pen. Advice, you need to clean up yourself. Then have to and not have to. We have to cover our textbooks. So these are the models we have explained, models, functions and examples. Now let's see the first exercise of A. Let's see the instruction. Complete this sentence. Circle the correct words to match the purpose given in the brackets. First has been given. Let's see to the next. I am sorry. I am sorry. You cannot miss your singing classes. Refusing permission. Means you are refusing the permission. Means you are asking for permission and you are being refused by your sir. I am sorry. You can't miss your singing class. That is refusing, cannot. Now, third one. My uncle could run 5 kilometers in 20 minutes before he injured his knee. Here we will have to use past ability. So present ability is can and past ability is could. That's why we have circled that could. Fourth one, we would go trekking to Yukshom next year. Possibility. Should is suggestion, but here could is shows possibility. Now fifth one, may Amrita's dream come true. So here wish. So we use in wish may only. Must is not used there. It shows compulsion. So may Amrita's dreams come true. Sixth one, could you please pick me up to 5 p.m. tomorrow? Request. Because may shows possibility and permission also, but here you are requesting. That's why could you please pick me up at 5 p.m. tomorrow? Seventh one, shall I get you a cup of tea? Suggestion. So means in suggestion we use shall and in advice should. So we cannot use that may, we use that shall. Julia might go to Tina's house to study for there is possibility, and will is means certainty, but we will have to use their possibility. That's why we have used that might. Now let's see B. Complete these sentences with ought to or ought not to. You ought to start practicing yoga every day. Ought to can be used on the place of should. I think the children ought to wake up by now. Ought to wake up by now. We will have to see the meaning of the sentence. And in the third one, you can see, you ought not to have made a commitment without considering it thoroughly. So, see the meaning of the sentence. Then we have used ought not to. आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. Have made a commitment without considering it thoroughly. Then it is likely to rain. Rosie and Timothy ought to take their umbrellas. देखो यहाँ पे meaning positive, इसलिए हमने ought to use किया है. And fifth, you ought to have told me that you were not at home. आपको ये कहना चाहिए था मुझे. You ought to have told me. I ought not to give you my wrong ideas. नहीं देना चाहिए गलत आइडिया हमें. So we will have to see the meaning of the sentence. And keeping in mind, we have used ought or ought not to. While driving a car, you ought to wear a seat belt. Positive meaning. Daljit ought not to have touched the clay figurine. Now it is broken. So the result is broken, negative. That's why we ought not to. Now let's move to the next. Now let's see exercise the C. Complete this sentence with need or need not. You need not have cooked lunch as I am not hungry. Given. Then you need to read the instructions manual carefully before signing the machine. You need. जरूरत थी आपको. You need to read. आपको जरूरत है. Then, do I need to call you before I start? That is need we have used. You need go to school today since you are feeling ill. आपको जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. You need to go to school today since you are feeling ill. In fourth, I have written need but keeping in mind the meaning of the sentence, we will have to use that need not to go. Why? Since you are feeling ill. So आप बीमार हो इसलिए आपको जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. Then I need to take Kusum and Shreya to the doctor for their vaccines. That is positive meaning. That's why we have used their need. And the sixth one, we need not buy milk today. There is a bottle in the refrigerator. So in the reference of the next sentence, we can use need or need not. We need not buy the milk today. There is a bottle in the refrigerator. Need not. Already है. तो हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है खरीदने की. Lina and Maya need to sleep early. They have to wake up early tomorrow. Positive. जल्दी सो जाना, जल्दी उठना है. And the last one, last, Anna and Maria need to finish decorating the house. They are expecting guests next week. So these were need and need not. At the time of filling the blanks, we will have to keep in mind, we will have to go through the sentence. What is the meaning of the sentence? Then it will be very obvious and easy to fill it. Now let's move to the D. Choose the correct models to complete these sentences. First has been given, I need to leave now as my bus leaves in 2 hours. Now you need not buy this weighing scale, you can borrow mine. So here also, तुम्हें ज़रूरत नहीं, तुम मुझसे ले सकते हो. So you need not, तुम्हें खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं. तो ये बाद में हमें यहाँ पे need not यूज़ किया है. Must should we cannot use. Third one, I ought to go to the bank right now and withdraw some money. अभी मुझे जाना चाहिए और लेके आना चाहिए. अगर shouldn't नहीं होता तो हम should या वहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते थे. But shouldn't है इसलिए नहीं. Now, army personnel get concession on train tickets. They needn't pay the full fare. So we have used the needn't. So army here must not, would not, but need not we have used. The army personnel get concession on train tickets. They need not. उसे ये need not pay full fare. तो उसे full fare भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. We ought to inform them about the change of date. We ought not to, might not to. Ought मतलब should. We should inform them about the change of the date, or we ought to inform them about the change of date. Sixth one, I am playing in the school match tomorrow. I have to finish my project today. I should not, totally wrong, might, totally, and I have to today only complete. Now, seventh one, you should try this new dish that I cooked. It's tasty. You should, you would, wouldn't. Wouldn't can be used if I have prepared. You would not try this new dish that I cooked. It's tasty. If you are using in joke, then we can use that. You would not. Now, eighth one. You don't have to stay awake to open the door. I have my keys. You don't have to. आपको उठने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मेरे पास है keys हैं. So here in the reference of the next sentence we can use don't have to. Now let's move to exercise number E. Complete these sentences with the suitable models. One has been given. Adnan can't come tonight. He will come tomorrow. Second one. Excuse me. Could you please give me a pencil? Polite. Will you can be used. Can you can be used. But we have used in order to show the politeness. Could you please give me a pencil? The guest will be here soon. So multifunctions. That's why we can use more than one model. Here, the guest will be here soon. So you have to, you ought to, you should, you must help me lay the table. So all can be used. That's why it is confusing one. Have to can be ought to, so, should and must. तो ये सब मल्टी फंक्शन है, इसलिए ये पूछते वक्त या आपको आंसर देते वक्त जो दूसरा सेंटेंस है, रेफरेंस सेंटेंस है, उसका मीनिंग लेना होगा और मीनिंग समझ के हमें फिल करना होगा. यू नीड नॉट मैसेज हिम एनी मोर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी कॉल्ड हिम. तो इट्स क्लियर, दैट्स वाई. तुम्हें भेजने की जरूरत नहीं, मैंने ऑलरेडी भेज दिया है. I borrow your red t-shirt for the party. तो यहाँ पे can you, may you, would you, will you we can use because all have the same function. That's why. क्या, can, may, could. So ये could है, वो ज़्यादा polite है can और may की comparison में. Could you pass this please? Parents need to teach their children to be polite and compassionate. तो पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चे को, तो यहाँ पे नीड, मस्ट, शुड ये भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं कि ये करना चाहिए. नाउ सेवंथ वन. आई कैन हियर सम नॉइस. समवन मस्ट बी ऑन द टेरेस. तो यहाँ पे मस्ट भी होगा. यहाँ पे मतलब हम बोल रहे हैं कि क्लास में से आवाज आ रही है, कोई वहीं पे होना चाहिए, तो मस्ट ही करेंगे हम. देयर इज साउंड इन द क्लास, देयर इज नॉइस इन द क्लास, सम स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट बी इन द रूम, सो मस्ट विल बी देयर. क्योंकि मुझे आवाज़ आ रही है, टेरेस पे कोई होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट नॉट ईट स्वीट्स, यू विल स्पॉइल योर टीथ. आपको नहीं खाना चाहिए वरना आपकी जो टीथ है वो बिगड़ जाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे मस्ट. अगर शुड भी यूज करते हैं अगर किसी को सलाह दे रहे हैं तो, लेकिन बोलने वाली व्यक्ति और सुनने वाली व्यक्ति कौन है वो हमें देखना होगा। You can find these kinds of trinkets in the new market. You can means you are able to find, मिल सकती है at present. You should, she should practice harder for her competition next week. उसको नैतिक मतलब कोई फोर्स नहीं है, उसको करनी चाहिए। The problems are created as the different kinds of the model bear the same functions, that's why. But according to the mood of the sentence, according to the reference of the sentence, we can use models. Now let's see the exercise number E, F. Here also the answer can be more than one. Complete these sentences with suitable modal verbs in the negative. Now let's see the exercise F. Complete these sentences with suitable modal verbs in the negative. One has been given. You need not go for the trip if you don't want. So this way we will have to make the sentence negative. Students shouldn't be absent on the last day of school. Here we can use must not also. The answers can be more than one, should not or must not. Both can be used. Third one, you cannot or must not make mistakes while filling out the form. Cannot or must not. Both can be used as taking the meaning according to. You ought not to and must not also be late for so they will not let you enter. So use ought to, should or must. We can use, and we will have to add their not as we are making negative sentences. So you ought not to be late for the so they will not let you enter. Fifth one, shouldn't. Rachna shouldn't be spending so much time on a single sum. She will not get time to do the rest of the sums. So here also we can use more than one model. Now I would like to leave now, but you need not as you have to finish your work. Here we have used needn't. मैं जा सकता लेकिन आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because you have to finish your work before time. And seventh one, I am sorry, I cannot help you this time. I have to go else somewhere. I can't help you. I have to go somewhere. So we have used that can't. कर सकता नहीं क्योंकि मुझे बाहर जाना है, दूसरी जगह जाना है. He cannot be here already. I just saw him going to the bus stops. So we have used there the negatives in these sentences. Now let's move to the next exercise, G. Now let's see G. Complete these sentences using can or could. So it's obvious and without doubt we can feel, because in other exercises we can use more than one, but here the instruction is clear, that's why we will have to use can or could, and we can use keeping in mind the whole meaning of the sentence. First one is given here. One day we could live on Mars. Here it shows past, that's why we could. Now if you tried it past, that's why we cannot use that can. If you tried really hard, you could really win a prize. Means you could have done it. It shows past. So you could really win a prize. Why cannot? Because here V2 is used after subject you. You use subject and tried. Simple past. Third one, Raju might repair the watch, but it could take him a while. Raju might repair the watch. So here might can be used on the place of may as past, but, and that's why, but it could take him a while. Now fourth one, Nicky can drive a car, but he does not. Blindly, without seeing, we can use that can as after, but he does not know. Simple present tense, that's why. Because it shows ability, possibility of present, and that one could can be used for past. You could come home in the evening. You could come home in the evening. So here, not ability, but you, if you want, you can come. That's why we have used that could. And I think can also can be used. You can come home in the evening. We can come and seek and pick you up around 7. Here we can as pick, and we can come and pick you up around 7. So here you can means you are able to come there and you can pick you up. You say it is difficult to climb trees. You say it is difficult to climb trees. Well, I could climb when. Here the second sentence is indicating the past, that's why we have used. I was able to climb. I was able to climb. And eighth one, Nimit could have easily won. Here could have means he was not able to complete it, and now he is repenting. मैं कर पाया होता, अगर मैंने ऐसा किया होता तो निमित could have easily won the race had he not slowed down towards the end. Here past perfect and modal auxiliary with have and V3, could have. If I worked hard, I had worked hard, I could have won the medal. But it was not possible because I didn't do the same what I had to do. So could I have used here. So these are the sentences we have done of G. Now let's move to H. Let's move to H. H. Rewrite the sentences replacing the words in the bold with the appropriate modals for the situation. Make the changes in the sentence wherever necessary. We can make the changes in the sentence if it is necessary, if it is needed. First has been given, he is unlikely to have left without informing anyone. Begin he. So he wouldn't have left without informing anyone. So with he we have used wouldn't have left without informing us. This way we will have to do the rest. Don't worry, it is possible that Kavita is coming tomorrow morning. Begin with Kamita. So Kavita might be coming tomorrow morning, so I don't worry. So it is possible, that's why we have used might. Kavita might be coming tomorrow morning, so I don't worry. Now third one, So much practicing is likely to tire you. Stop practicing now. Ruchi. Begin so much practicing. So we will have to begin the start करना होगा sentence so much practicing. So much practicing could tire you. Ruchi. Here we have used taking the situation, keeping the situation, and we have used a model here. Now it is likely that you have left the keys at home. Begin with you. You may or could we can use. You may or could have left the keys at home. So according to the instruction, we have used you on the beginning of the sentence. Now fifth one, you can try and call, but it is possible the sculpture has been solved by now. Begin the sculpture. So now we can change the sentence according to instruction. The sculpture have been solved by now, but you can still try and call. So there is use change can be in order to make the proper meaning using the model. Sixth one is there. If you were absent yesterday, you obviously have not heard about the burst water pipe in the school. Begin, you have heard about the burst water pipe in the school. So you might not or must, we can use both. You might not or must have not heard about the burst water pipe in the school if you were present yesterday. So these were the sentences, and it can be made different ways also, but we have done this way. Now let's move to the last one, the last exercise of the chapter. Rearrange the words into meaningful sentences. Rearrange the words into meaningful sentences by including the modals in bold in the correct place. We will have to rearrange the sentence and make a complete meaning. First, as Simran, her friend, school, Rani, and still, be, at, and could. Could is given in bold as it is modal. So rearrange these words into a meaningful sentence by including the modals in bold in the correct place. According to the structure of sentences, we will have to put, and it will bring a meaningful sentence. And a sentence can be called when it bears meaning. Otherwise it can be phrase. Now let's see. Studying may be room her in Archana. So Archana may be studying in her room. Archana subject, may, helping verb be, and studying in her room. So this way, because this makes meaning, but if you make the sentence without following the structure, it will not bear a meaning. Now, some want the might more baby food. The baby might want some more food. Baby subject and might. Auxiliaries, primary or modal auxiliaries, they come after subject in sentence and then verb. And verb will be, with the modal auxiliaries, the verb will be in V1 form. And if we have used have with the modal auxiliary, then we will use their V3. So here in all the sentences you have noticed that after modals we have used V1. Might want. The baby might want some more food. Now fourth one. They too there may have mother yesterday and spoken. Now try yourselves. First you will have to find the subject. Pronoun. Pronoun or person can be subject, or group of sentence phrase can be subject. So here you will have to find they. There is a subject, and then after subject we know that after subject there will be auxiliary, modal auxiliary. So what is modal auxiliary? May. And have also given, that's why we will have to use there have. And I have told you earlier that with may, if we have used have, then we will have to use V3. So what is V3? There? Spoken. So they may have spoken to their mother yesterday. So according to the structure we can make the sentence. Here also forgotten about, might, have, about, the, celebrity, the program. So you will have to find the person, the celebrity, the subject, then might, according to the structure, formation of the sentence using the auxiliaries or modal auxiliaries. So celebrity might, then have is given there, then we will have to use with subject, auxiliaries have, V3, and then rest of the words. So celebrity might have forgotten about the program. Now sixth one, must watch India win. So subject India, and we have not given have here, that's why we will have to use V1 with the auxiliary. So India must win the match. India must win the match. Now the last one is Jamaica must have. Now have is given, then you will have to find the V3 with the have, must have, and V3 for subject. So you first try to find out the subject. What is subject there? Jamaica must have by now my parents touring reached. So my touring parents. Here adjective, here with parents the subject adjective is given there. So this is phrase, noun phrase. My touring parents must have, must subject, auxiliary V3, have, V3, and rest of the words. So my touring parents must have reached Jamaica by now. So we have explained all the exercises of modals. It's interesting, but we can use the auxiliaries according to the meaning of the sentence, and the person who is using the modals, he can use according to his meaning, his mood. And as they are multifunctions, so they can be used on the place of each other, but at times not forever. So this is the explanation of modals. I hope and trust you have got all the exercises and you try to use in your day, in your life, in order to understand, in order to learn the sentences. Use the modals and make the sentence and communicate with your parents or brothers or friends. And this is the only way by which you can learn grammar. And if you don't know the grammar, then there will be problem in future, and at times you will become the butt of mockery. The people will laugh at you if you don't use grammar properly. So you will try your level best. Wish you all the best. Thank you.